Hello, my dear student. Welcome back on my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about the story. Story name is The Healer. This story has been published in a book, The Wonder Bus, and the publisher's name is Eduline. Okay, so in this story, we have to know about a bravery girls, a young girls who handle a medical crisis that arrived at her village doorstep on snowy winter. So this story based on a winter season, and now we have to know about that how the Daksha calm and thoughtfully manner which makes people turn to her for helps. So in the beginning of the story we can see some of the background of village. Many of the person who migrates from the village and go to the other another place. Some of the person left to work as a porters and some as for the shop helpers. So why? Because of the winter. During the winter season the whole area is covered by the snow. So here we can see the girl's name is Daksha, who stood in the center of the room and listening to the silence. A week ago, it means he going to the flashback and think about some of the important uh, activity that happened some days before. So she also saying that some of the person who stayed there, they are collecting some of the uh, important elements like a food and covered their houses to save of the snowies and harmful winter. So this is the situation create there, and in this situation we can see here a girl's name is Daksha who could not leave were busy prepare for coming long winters. She also collects some of the vegetables like a carrot, cabbage, and other things from the fields, and she also store the millets were roasted on a huge stone stove. And now we can also see here in the flashback stories she thought about that some years ago she worked with the person named Pandit Ji. Pandit Ji was Ved means a doctor in that village, and he also cures many of the people. So staying with with him, he learn more thing about the herbs and other leaves that was the important for the medical treatment. And she collect these and boiling these leaves and roots and making the kara. So it is a beneficial for the cough and the fevers during any condition. So now the Pandit ji did not stay at the village, and she is not, it means the Daksha did not left the village. So Pandit ji gave him all responsibility to stay in his room or the house and care of the animals. In the next paragraph we know about that the Dakshas, about the Dakshas family. Okay, in the uh, light some years ago, it means the 5 years ago, a landslides followed by the flash flood swept away half the village, and the Dakshas parents and brother lost. So she was now completely alone, and she lives in a village with the mountain people, and there is no any danger or stranger for her. So she survived with their villagers. During the summer month, she like to other children. She went to the mountain or the plain area for the grazing to the goats and sheep, and there she collects a lot of the herbs for the Panditji. And now here is the accident happened. One day, in a afternoon, there was a villagers heard about father some cries. There was a two person of army who almost frozen to the death, and they asking for the help. So one of the men, name is Mahadeva. Okay, Mahadeva, uh, running there and also help them. So they saw that they were freezing. Some other men rushed in with the quilt and the kangaris, small basket with the burning embers. Embers means it is a small pot where the fire burn. Okay, and it keeps inside the room. A fire was lit in a room. The man with the broken arms slipped into the unconscious. It means he had no consciousness. So other person looked with the exhausted, completely tired, and asking to everyone that he need a doctor. But there was no any doctors, and they looking to each other with the surprise. But but without a word, Daksha went to the Arjun and she placed her palm against his forehead and checked his pulse. And after the observing his breathing, he told Mahadev wise to take the boiled water. And she prepared a medicine. And after the preparing medicine, she carefully put drop on medicine into his mouth, and some of the boiling water kept beside the Arjun, keep the beside the Arjun. And now the some time going past, and Mr. uh, it means other person who had carried the other first person, he said that I am Subedar. It means he introduced himself to the villagers that he was a Subedar of the army and name is Hamid. And he asking to the villagers that when he going to the roadside to help or traveling by the truck to scalded and rolled down several feet down. Okay, and the Hamid, it means the Subedar, jumped from the truck, but Arjun did not jumped from the truck, and he decided to control, or he tried to control the truck, but he is unable to control it, and the truck was fell down from the rocks and his arms completely broken. And here the person who is a driver of the truck name is Arjun. Arjun wanted to leave him and said to the Hamid that he go away and search for the help. But here is Hamid decided he did not leave him, and he carry on his journey with the Arjun who broken his arms. And after a 20 kilometers journey, he reached at a village. In the beginning, before find the village, he is searching a lot. He completely exhausted. He has no any view to see any village in the snowy areas. But after the 20 kilometers travel, she get a village scene, and then he cried for the help, and everyone hold the Arjun and Hamid. And after saying his story, he's asking about the village name. The villagers tell about the village name is Parbat Devi. And next, Hamid completely became completely worried and asking to the villagers if there was any doctors, but the village denied to present any doctors in a village. They asking that here is the person who work as a doctor, it means the Ved, name is Panditji. Now he had gone to the other village of cause of winters. So here Hamid become very disappointed, but The villagers suggest the name of a little girl's name is Daksha. Daksha is a helper of Pandit ji who learned a lot of the treatment by the Pandit ji, who taught by the Pandit ji, and now everyone need help. Everyone looked to the Daksha that he had cured the Arjun. So they have no any option, so everyone agree. Why? Because there are no any route to go to the other village and get the cure or the medical help. So they decided to stay there for 2 months, and during this month Daksha care of the Arjun very carefully and use every kind of the herbs and the leaves or the roots as a medicine to cure of the Arjun's arms. And after the month some month he became the something well, like Arjun something became well and start to doing some work with the villagers. And now both are the person spend their life up to 2 months there. So this is the short story of this chapter. Now next we also discuss about the some book exercise of this chapter. Okay, so let's start the book exercise of this chapter. Now we are going to solve the book exercise of the chapter the healer. So see here, exercise number one: complete the flow chart of the event which led up the arrival of the army man in the village. So here the flow chart. Hamid and Arjun were in. So you can search the word from the textbook and write down here. Hamid and Arjun were in a trunk carrying supplies. Now, second is the truck skipped and rolled several feet before overturning. Now, third option is Hamid managed to jump out. Now, fourth option is the men were unable to contact their base because the radio was smashed or destroyed. Now, fifth option is the truck came to rest, came to the rest. Okay, it's repeat to the truck came to rest. Cut it 20 kilometers above the village. Now, next option number six. Arjun, who was at the wheel, fell and broke his arm when he hit a rock. Now, option number seven. Hamid helped Arjun to walk down in the snow, intending to find shelter and leave him there. Option number 8. They accidentally came upon the village as was hidden by huge piles of snow. Okay. Now next exercise number B, and name the person who said this. Took the army men into their home. So this statement saying by the Mahadev. Okay, first statement saying by the Mahadev. Now second is taught Diksha to make Kara to treat ailments. The option is a Pandit ji. Helped Arjun climb down the mountain with his broken arms. Who helped the Arjun? The Subedar Hamid. Remembered that Daksh had set her goat's leg when it fell off a cliff. It says by the Saraswati. Told Subedar Hamid that Daksha was Arjun's best hope to treatment. It's say by the Mahadev. And last option is set Arjun arms and made a sling for it. It's saying by the Daksha. Now next exercise number E. Here tick the idioms that have similar meaning to the one of color. So here the idioms like peach in a pod. Peach in a pod. A pod means similar meaning. It may be much of, muchness, joined at the hip, and can not a hairs breathe between them. Okay. Now next is second is blow a fuse. The same similar meaning is fly, fly off the handle, lodge it, and go through the roof. All three meanings match to the highlight words. Next is option number three, all ears. It's going to be get a load of, hang on a someone words, and tune into. All three meanings match to the audience, all ears. Now fourth is in a tight spot. It's going to match with in a hot water, in a dire state, and catch 2022. Okay. Now next is work around the clock. It's going to match with floated with work, and PG as a beaver, snowed under. Now sixth option is different as night and day. So it's match with the option number A, C and B. Different as a different as a chalk and cheese. Different kettle of fish, poles apart. Now next is option number 7. A people person is going to match with the life of the party of a able person and party animals. Now look here exercise number F. Match the word with their meanings. Look up a dictionary if you are in doubt. So first, polyglot means match with the option number K. A person who know many language. Okay. Option number 1 match with K. Now second is quackstick. It match with the option number C, impractical. Option number 3 obsolete. It match with the option number E, outdated. Fourth is neologism. Neologism match with the option number A new expression. Option number 5 report, and report match with the option number I, close harmonious relationship. Option number 6 gregarious. It match with the option number H, fond of company. Now eighth option infallible match with the option number J, incapable of being wrong. And now 8 pedantic. Pedantic. It match with the option number F, cares too much about small detail. Now option number 10 meticulous. It going to match with option number G, careful and precise. 11 recontour. It going to match option number L, a good storyteller. And last is ephemeral. Ephemeral. Ephemeral match option number D, lasting for a very brief period. Okay. Now here is the poem. Read this poem carefully. And here the question, tick the correct spellings. So you can see here these type of the words you can get from the poem. So here the word charisma, charisma. So second option is correct. And here is serauti, option number 1 correct. Third, memento, option number third correct. Fidget, option number 1 correct. And fifth is deposition, option number first correct. And in the sixth, millennium, option number second correct. Reindeer, option number second correct. Condolence, option number first correct. And 9, homemade, option number first correct. Okay, frame question from the following answer. So here is the given answer. So uh, convert it into the interrogative sentence in a simple language. So here is the question. Statement is, every winter more than half the people of the village left the village because the houses got snowed in. So when you convert it into the interrogative and asking the question is going to be, why did half the people of village live every winter? Okay. Now next statement is, some men worked as a porters and some as shop helpers. So when you convert this answer in by the question is going to be, what did some of the men do? Now third statement is, people who could not leave the village prepared for the long winter. So question is going to be, what did people who were left behind do? Okay. Now next, option number 4, Pandit ji found the winters increasingly harsh because he was old, so he left. So question is going to be, why did Pandit ji leave the village or leave? Now fifth is, landslides followed by the flash flood swept under half the village 5 years ago. The question is going to be, what happened 5 years ago? Now, next statement, Daksha lost her parents and brothers when she was 7. The question is converted into the interrogative, what happened when Daksha was 7? Now, seventh option is, during the summer month, Daksha took the goats and sheep to graze on the mount side and gathered herbs for Panditji. So, question is going to be, what did Daksha do during the summer month? And here is the statement, Karha is deco- decoctions that soothe fever and cough and many other ailments. So question is set by the statement, what is Kadha? Now next is statement number 9. The army man struck and skidded and rolled down the several feet. So here question is going to set be, what happened to the army man's truck? Now question statement number 10, Arjun who was at the wheel tried to control the truck. The question is going to be, what did Arjun try to do? Now next is, Daksha gave Arjun some milk with a herbal medicine for the pain. The question is going to be, what did Daksha give Arjun for the pain? And here the last statement is, Subedar Hamid and Arjun ended up staying in the village for the next 2 months because the snowfall was expectationally heavy that year. So here question set to be, why did Subedar Hamid and Arjun end up staying in the village for the next 2 months. Okay, now this is the last question. Make sentence with the given word according to their instruction given in the brackets. So first you arrange the sentence carefully and also convert it into the simple past tense. When you convert it, the sentence is going to be Anshika was thirsty, so Arya gave her some lemonade. And second is uh, question in a simple present tense. So here you can convert it as a simple present tense. So in place of can, 1 minute, in place of can, you should write down here does. Remove the can. Okay, does Aisha help Shraddha carry the boxes? Okay, now next, past continuous tense. The sentence is going to be the Banerjee family was walking in the park last evening. Now next is question in a simple future tense. Okay, simple future tense. So you can write down here would or will. Any helping verb you can use here. Would or will Bharti like to watch the ducks in the pond. Now next is present continuous tense. So Harsh is playing basketball with his friends in the stadium. Now next is question in a simple present continuous tense. So use is before of the subject. So here is Kunal watching a movie on his laptop. Now next is past perfect tense, the wave past perfect tense. So you can write down here use the wave has swept away the sand castle they had. No, no, it's correct. There are two sentences, so easily you can convert it. It is a past perfect tense. There are combined two sentences. So the wave swept away the sand castle they had made on the beach. So here is a helping verb but had already used here, and make convert into the third form of the verb. So it is a correct. Now next is okay. Next is option number 8, present perfect tense. As you know about that, there are huge has. So Kusum has had a burger and a milkshake for lunch. Now ninth is question in a future continuous tense. So will Madhu be writing an email to his parents? Now 10 is question in a simple past tense. So write down here, did Prachi sleep in the class this morning? And in the last you can do the exercise. So it is a complete your exercise. So thank you.